First thing you want to do is choose the date that you want to collect your equipment. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon in the top left corner of your screen, and then choosing the date that you want to collect the equipment. You can then, on the right hand side, click the Type drop-down box to select what type of equipment you want to borrow. For example, if you want a video camera, you can untick all of the default selections, and now I can just see video cameras. You can see the availability of the equipment with the white space here. Anything which is greyed out is unavailable to you. To make a selection of some equipment, simply click and drag with the mouse in the white space below. If you want to have your equipment for more than one day, you can use the date selection here at the top of the screen. Either type a new date or click on the calendar icon to select a date of return. You can also change the return time as well. If you wish to add additional items to your equipment booking, go back to the Type drop-down box and then use the tick boxes to select the other type of equipment you want to borrow. You can then click on the plus symbol here or anywhere in this grey bar to add that item to your booking also. Before proceeding, do double check that your collection date and time is accurate. When you are done, click the Next button in the top right corner, and this will give you an overview of your booking. Finally, use the brief description box here to type in the name of the module. When you have finished, simply click Submit Request. Once you have submitted your request, the HUMS technical team will approve or decline your request based on the information given. You can check on the status of any of your equipment bookings by going to the self-service portal, clicking on My Self-Service, and then clicking on My Reservations.